All right, moving on now. 4 days after the gruesome gang rape of a student in Karnataka's Mysuru, 5 out of the 6 accused have been arrested in connection with the case. Police has revealed that all of the accused are laborers from Tamil Nadu's Tirupur, in fact, and visited Mysuru frequently. Police suspects that one of the arrested accused could be a juvenile as well, and ascertaining the background of the accused at the moment. Meanwhile, the 6th accused in the case is absconding and the hunt for him is on.
We have been able to arrest 5 out of 6 accused. They are all resident of Tirupur in Tamil Nadu. One of them possibly is juvenile. It's subject to confirmation and verification. He could be about 17-year-old, but I can't vouch for it right now. So he'll be treated as juvenile. So 5 out of 6 people have been arrested. The efforts are on to arrest the 6 people.
So how did the Mysuru police really crack this case? What led them to the accused? Around the spot of crime, there were no CCTV cameras. There were no lights as well the night that this incident took place. So the police has started with technical evidence from the location and also electronic evidence. The police, based on the statement of the victim's friend, have zeroed in on the fact that one of these accused over here was from the state of Tamil Nadu because he was speaking in Tamil. Now, based on the electronic evidence that they've collected of the SIM cards active at the crime scene during the time of the crime, they've zeroed in on a few SIM cards. They've identified whom these SIM cards belong to and listed them as suspects. Now coming to the technical evidence, they've picked up, in fact, a bus ticket that was found at the crime scene itself. This bus ticket has led them again to the state of Tamil Nadu, as the boarding point and the point where the accused alighted were both inside Tamil Nadu itself. Now these numbers that were active at the crime scene were also active at those bus stands. And that is how the police confirmed that it was in fact the owners of these SIM cards who have indulged in this horrific crime. After a team of police was sent to Tamil Nadu, searches were carried out over there. The SIM card, in fact, of the accused was still active at the time when they were nabbed. And that is what really led the police to reaching Tamil Nadu, arresting 5 of the accused. But even as we are talking about a major breakthrough that's been made, and the police, of course, looking to get them into the police custody, one of the accused still remains absconding.